Namaskara. Hi guys, how you all doing? Today we have a very special video that is extremely close to my heart. That is how to reduce plastic in our day-to-day lives. A little disclaimer here before we begin the video. I am in no way telling that I'm perfect, that I don't use any plastic in my life. Yes, I do use plastic. But what I'm saying is these are the things which I've consciously done in order to reduce plastic in my life. The things which I speak in the video are alternatives to plastic which have the same efficiency. So let's begin. Number one, always carry a reusable bag with you when you're going out. You never know what you'll have to buy. You may find an attractive item that you will have to buy, or your parents might call you and say, can you please get this to me? So your reusable bag always comes to your rescue. I always have this one with me. When you zip it out, it converts into a beautiful bag like this. This was actually gifted to me in one of our latest function. Right there you have a beautiful gifting option. I still use this. Actually, this function was like 3 years ago. I so appreciate them daily for giving this to me. Number two, carry a steel water bottle with you so that you don't end up buying a mineral water bottle when you're thirsty, which will obviously be in plastic. It is good for your health as well as for the environment. Number three, do not use air fresheners. Instead, what you can do is you can use candles or incense sticks. I also feel that good vibes are coming my way when I light up a candle or an incense stick. Number four, most chewing gums in the market are currently made up of toxic plastic. So try to reduce the chewing gum and throw it in the correct recycling bin. Number five, say no to plastic cutlery. Always carry a small box and a spoon along with it so that you don't have to use the plastic cutlery given by the hotel or the street wallas while you go out to eat. Also, say no to plastic cutlery at home and use ceramic or steel cutlery. Number six, get these bamboo toothbrushes. Also, the bristles are not made of plastic, and that's a good thing. We have to replace our toothbrush every 3 months, and imagine how much plastic we are putting in this planet. Google says that we use around 300 toothbrushes in our lifetime. Also, did you know that if you wrap up all the toothbrushes thrown by the US, you can wrap up the earth 4 times? How staggering is that? Remember, always small changes lead to big transformations. Use plastic-free pads or menstrual cups for your periods. Menstrual cups have literally transformed my life for the better. A video on it coming up super soon. Stay tuned. You can use stainless steel straws instead of single-use straws. I personally don't use them since I don't use a lot of straws and I don't like drinking from them. But if you're a person who likes straws, you can just buy it, which is mostly available everywhere. I'll link it down in the description for you guys to buy them. Now I use this wooden comb to get rid of my tangles. I have also noticed that there's less of breakage when I use this comb. The tip I'm going to tell you right now is very simple. Also, it saves you a lot of money. Just don't buy new pens, guys. Yes, don't buy new pens. Instead, buy refills and just refill the pen and use it. The 12th tip of the day is purely a COVID tip. Use a cloth mask instead of a disposable mask, okay? In case if you have to use a disposable mask, make sure you cut these strands out so that you will not be doing any harm to the other animals. By the way, the types which you're not supposed to wear a mask. Not like this, or not like this, or not like this. Just like this. This is how you have to wear a freaking mask, guys. It is so simple. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram. Also, I have noticed that most of the people who watch my videos are not yet subscribed to my channel. I am not saying this. YouTube is saying this. So please subscribe to my channel. It is so simple and it is free of cost. Bye bye. Take care.